Hey guys, so here's a quick look at my table saw when I first bought it. It's loud, it has a lot of vibration though. It's mainly due to the pulleys and rubber belt that's on it. Um, so the first thing I did was take the riding knife off, loosen all the bolts in the back, pull off the old belt. To get the pulley off, you need to use a gear pulley. You can find these for rent at AutoZone, or if you want to just go ahead and buy one, I'll put a link in the description for one. It takes a little bit of work. After that, these brass wire brushes are perfect for cleaning up the remaining rust. This is why it was so difficult to get off. If you don't remove the rust, it'll be very difficult to put the new pulley back on. This takes some time, so be patient and get in there as much as you can. Next is a really gross part of blowing everything out. With the air nozzle, there is a ton of dust in here, years and years of cutting, and it's all like stuck in the motor and whatever. Next, you tilt the table to 45 and get in there. I didn't have a problem pulling the old pulley off of the arbor, but getting the new one on there, once you get it nice and clean, um, you just tap it on. And while you're back there, it's a good time to clean up the screw for the tilt option. And again, you can see that everything goes back really well together. You do want to make sure that everything's tensioned nicely, so putting a little tension on it and tightening it up. The belt will stretch, so within a day or two, you should check your belt again, and you're probably going to have to remove a link or two. I think I've removed six total since I put the belt on the first time. As always, check the links in the descriptions for the parts and stuff that I used, and hopefully that can help you in your journey. If you found this helpful at all, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate you watching.